Good afternoon. I hope you enjoyed watching the Edpuzzle video. Today we are going to read Chapter 17 entitled Home. First, let's preview some vocabulary and then you can get started. The first word that I'd like you to know for Chapter 17 is the word pockmarked. That means to be covered or disfigured with pockmarks. You can kind of see the little indents on the skin in this photo here. The next word is bustling. That means that something is full of activity. The next word is miraculously. That's in a way that suggests or resembles a miracle. And the last word is negligence. That is failure to take proper care in doing something. All right, now you are going to head to Google Classroom, read Chapter 17, and answer the questions that follow on the document. Don't forget to turn it in when you are done. Have a great day.